Hello everybody, today we're going to do a video about folding the clothes. And this is the most clothes we ever fold because yesterday we went shopping to the mall and other places for a lot of clothes. And it's the challenge today. The most challenge I knew was 20 clothes for each of us, but this time it's like 100 clothes to fold. And we're going to start right now. Ding ding. Yes. And also, wait, what happens if I press this button? I have no idea. Anyway, it says fog on it. I know what happens
When I press that button, that means this jacket I bought from the mall is 50. Wait.
Yeah.
Creeper turns into a
Dynamite.
Okay, I just made it into dynamite. And I'm going to spin it into a creeper. Here's a creeper. Is there anything else?
The PJ pants are over here. I'll show you now how to fold the pants. So if you have a short pants or long pants, there's different ways. If you have a short pants, you have to start by putting it down straightly, then grab one side, you could do any side, then fold it back at the other one, and then you could straight behind. Then you roll it into, it's at the end, you can flatten it a little bit, and then it looks like a burrito.
It really needs to look like a burrito, or it can be a burger with onion.
And how to fold a long pants is more like harder, so you need a lot of wood to do it. So I'll just put some of these off the way. I grab one side and then pull it to the other side. You could do any side, but the other way makes it much more confusing. And then you have to pull it all. You have to pull like all the way back, just half. Then you could grab this side and then start rolling it. You could flatten it. And there's also another way you could do it. But you could do it in PJ. I'll show you the other way you could do it in a PJ. So, first things first.
This is the PJ I got.
Unfold it. Ninja. And then the other way is you fold it like this, and then you pull it all the way here. Then pull this side like you could half pull it here. Then you have one side, and then pull it half, and flatten it, and then it's the other way. That's the other way how you could fold a pants. I should put in the pants section. Let's see what pants I pick. This is how you fold a PJ short sleeve. First, you unfold it, then lay it on the ground flatly. Then you grab one side and grab here, because it won't get well if you don't grab it there. And then you push it here, and then this side you grab it and push it down here, and do the same here, and then you unfold it out. And then you can flatten it, put it here. Oh, thanks for the hangers. How to fold the t-shirt is, you could grab a hanger and place it in the shoulders, but if you don't have hangers, you could place it softly on the ground. And then grab one side and do the same like the PJs. And then you could fold it that way. Then you have a shirt. But we have hangers, so that's why we don't fold it that way anymore. Raptor's the second fastest dinosaur in the land because they only go for 24 miles per hour as fast as a black mama, and the fastest dinosaur is a raptor. They could go 30 miles per hour. That's pretty fast, almost as fast as to get down a cheetah. A cheetah's 72 miles per hour. I have a lot of knowledge about dinosaurs, but more knowledge about animals here. And did you know that if a piranha bites your finger or like arms, like a piece of it might fall off? And if you're in a group where a lot of piranhas are, and trying to bite you, you're going to have a lot of blood on your body. Or you might even, you don't need to put these. Or and you also might even get eaten wholly and die, because I heard that in Coyote Peterson that a group of piranhas could drown you down and eat a lot of your body because it's a bunch of piranhas. A bunch of them. How can just one human take down 1,000 of thousands of things, like fishes? Oh, and the creatures who could take down piranhas are like only crocodiles and alligators, because they are reptiles and they have scales, but not Komodo dragons, because they could get drowned. You could try to take them down, it's easy. They could get taken down. Sometimes they can take it down, but most of the time they can't. And sometimes in Hollywood, in the news, they say that people have been falling into waters who have piranhas and get drowned by the piranhas. And also, like when people find like where that person got killed by a piranha, they will only find their bones, because piranhas eat meat. So means they could eat a lot in one school. But it also been said that piranhas also do not eat meat. They could eat anything that scavenge them to fill them up. I heard that they could also eat like algae and plants and like almonds or nuts and stuff. I heard that. It's on videos. Wait, this has to be fixed. I have to fix it. The most secret is when you like take it out the laundry, immediately fold it, because then it will be straight and nice. I can't believe we did all this clothes, and it took more than 30 minutes to finish all of it, like more like 1 hour. And if your mom needs any help, you could help her, and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
And also, this drink has no name.
Did the name fall off?